Dentures are difficult to fabricate. If we lose a denture, we may not be able to fabricate another one. So you may want to look into denture duplicating and send it to a great lab after the denture fits well, because you don't want to go through that process again with the dementia and Alzheimer's patients. This woman has mild to moderate dementia. She constantly lost her dentures. I just want to show you that not all dementia patients are difficult to work on. I'd say 1 in 5 are difficult and 4 out of 5 are very cooperative.
I am 83 or 4 years old.
89 years old.
I am 89.
You were born in 27.
That's right, September the 13th. I am 89.
Can you believe it?
No, I was thinking all the time 80, 83, 84.
How old do you think I
don't
am?
think about it much.
I know.
That's what it
How old
is.
do you think I am?
Oh, you could pass for about no more than 21.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you look good.
You want someone 21 to make you teeth?
No.
So you want me to be a little older
A
than
little
that?
older, more and more experience.
About 56.
Oh, that's good. You don't look it.
Really? I'm gonna make you really work.
No, you don't look it.
No.
That's right. You do darn good.
Wait.
Through the years of taking this,
Abuse.
not abuse. Trade.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're so young.
Well, how about you? You have no
Most-
wrinkles.
Most of the dentures I went to, they're men and they're elderly.
Like my age.
No, white hair. Some, oh yes.
I'm never gonna have white hair,
Yeah.
are you? You and I, we have the same black hair and red hair.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this in. Okay, it's not supposed to be comfortable. Okay. And then, yep.
You see, you could really have fun with these patients. I love my job.